Hello, Sabaidi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I want to show you how to make this yummy, delicious, crispy shrimp roll or shrimp in a blanket. All right, let's get started. The shrimp that I'm going to be using is what I got from Costco. Today I'm not going to be using all of it, just what I need. The only time that I use this whole bag of shrimp is when I'm having a party at my house or something. And also you're going to need a spring roll shell wrapper. This one has 25 pieces. Make sure you get it from the frozen section at your local Asian store, because in the frozen section, the spring roll tends to be more crispier. Oh yeah, and make sure you thaw out the shrimp roll wrap 1 hour before using it. Since my shrimp is frozen, I'm going to go ahead and thaw this out in cold water. Once my shrimp is thawed, what I'm going to do is remove the head and then take out the shell and devein it. You could always make it easier for yourself. Just buy the one that's already like shellless, headless, and that's already deveined. The reason why I love the Costco shrimp, the head on, is because I love making seafood boil with the shrimps, and I love the head on. So all I'm doing here is just taking out the head and then taking out the shell, and of course taking deveining it. The part that I leave on the shell is at the tail end right there, because when you wrap it, you kind of want that hanging out, so it's like for pretty presentation. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the process until I'm done with all of my shrimp. So once I'm done cleaning out all the shrimp, what I do is just cut the stomach part of the shrimp, just like a little tiny bit, not even halfway. The reason I do this is just to stretch the shrimp to make it straight when I'm rolling it. You'll see it soon, so you know what I mean. Okay, now that we're done deveining, cleaning all the shrimp, let's go ahead and marinate this. So you want to put like a heavy pinch of garlic powder. And then you want to put some light soy sauce. Here's the picture of the bottle that I use. And then some black pepper, and that's it. Just 3 ingredients: garlic powder, light soy sauce, and black pepper. We're not trying to over marinate this because we're still going to fry it and eat it with sweet sour sauce. After I'm done marinating this, I don't need to leave it for 30 minutes or an hour overnight, because you could just use it right away because they're shrimp, so they hold on to the marination pretty quick. And I'm just using 1 small egg and just beat it, because that's what I'm going to seal the egg roll wrap with. Okay, I'm just going to set everything aside. And then for the spring roll, now that it's all thawed out, I'm just going to go ahead and take it out the package. And once that's out the package, what I'm going to do is just cut it in half, like the triangle halfway, just like this. And then you just want to cut up whatever you're going to use and how many ever shrimp you think you have, and that's how many wrappers you're going to want, just like that. Okay, now that we have all the wrappers ready, let's start rolling our shrimp. Okay, just get the 1 piece of shrimp, and what you want to do is right there in the middle of that section, go ahead and put your piece of shrimp there with the tail out from the wrap, because we're not going to wrap that tail in. And if you ever rolled the egg rolls before, you're going to want to roll it somewhat the same way. Now that you have your shrimp on, just go ahead and give it a roll. Wrap it up. And then you want to seal it with the egg wash that we made earlier with the 1 small egg. You just put it all over. You could be generous. Don't worry about it. Just make sure you seal it up just like that. You see? With the tail hanging out. And when you wrap this, you got to make sure that you're holding on to the shrimp. Once you're wrapping it with the wrapper, wrap it really tight. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and repeat the process until I'm done with all of my shrimp wrap, because I don't think you want to watch me wrap one by one. Okay, now that I'm done rolling all my shrimp rolls, that's how it should look like. I didn't make that many. I think I just made like 18 or 20. Okay, now let's get our deep pan ready so we could start frying this. What I do is I just turn on the heat, medium to high heat, and I just put enough oil to where I know it's going to cover the shrimp rolls. And then once the oil is hot enough, you just go ahead and put in your shrimp rolls. Also, I just want to let you know that because it is shrimp, it's faster to cook. So it takes probably like 4 or 5 minutes just until it gets golden brown. And that's when you know it's done. You see how it's starting to be golden brown? Yep, it's basically done. So you want to go ahead and take it out. And then go ahead and repeat this process until you fry all your shrimp rolls. If you find this video useful so far, please hit like and subscribe for future video. Let's get back to cooking. You see how beautiful golden brown that is? That's when you know it's done. I'm already drooling as I'm editing this video. I want some more. And just repeat the process until you're done with all your shrimp roll. And here's me trying to make my shrimp roll, all the presentation beautiful for you guys to look at. Give me a thumbs up if I did a good job. And I want to mention again that this shrimp roll is so good that if you make it for party, everyone's going to love it. And also, you know, I got to have my Meploy sweet chili sauce dipping sauce. This is the only sweet sauce that I love dipping in my egg rolls, my shrimp rolls, my crab rangoon. Talk about that. I do have a video on a crab rangoon and also a video for the egg rolls. I just gotta say, oh my gosh, the shrimp roll with the sweet dipping sauce, it is so good. If you watch my video this far, I just want to say thank you so much. And I hope you do give it a try because you're not going to be disappointed. Again, thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.